Okay, here for 30 seconds. Make sure you cover it all if you want to transfer it. If you're not covered completely wherever you want to transfer your image in there, it probably not gonna transfer for you. So just make sure you covers and tie the nails and keep for 30 seconds. That's 2 more. So we're gonna do 2 more. That's 30 seconds. So I'm gonna do this cutie. Or like that. Which one? I like to have this place right in the middle. And give it a really good rub. And you get a perfect transfer foil. Alright, let's move on to the next beauty. So we did this one first. Is this transfer foil box is beautiful from 109 from a Glitz transfer foil collection. And I'm gonna do the next one. You can do any, you can choose to use any spot. It doesn't have to be wherever you want. You can go this way or you can go that way. I want to get a little tiny little flowers there. Give it a good like a rub. If you missed a video yesterday how I create this ombre looks, don't hesitate to check out our IGTV. I save it there for you. See that? I do it slow motion so you can see how good it is transfer. All right. And then let's doing it more. So I did this image. And then let's continue to do 2 more so then you can able to see. And again, for all of you tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessories and such. And thank you so much for tuning in and happy Saturday. So I'm going to do another colors, which is this is the nude from Velvetty Gels. And these 2 nails that I did earlier, it is from the liquid and powder. So, okay. Here for 30 seconds. Also, this is the metal gray from Glitz Gel Polish. Number 9. I'm going to try it also. Then you see that we're doing it on Velvetty Gel. We're doing on liquid and powder. Alright. I don't know what is stick on that one. This one I do like it too. It's cool. I like it. This one. And then you can definitely lay on wherever you want your image to be. 30 seconds only for the premium iHo transfer foil. If you are having really hard time to transfer your image, this premium iHo transfer foil is definitely gonna be your bestie on your station, and it's always gonna back you up every single time. So I did it on liquid and powder. I did it on the Velvetty Gel right now. You see that how it transferred completely is like pretty much everything. And then again, this one is clear, so we're gonna transfer this beauty. I really like that. Like, it's like her tongue is so fun. I want to get that one because I want to do some crystal placement on the top. Give it a good rub. So I applied all 4 nails with the premium eye hold transfer foil here extra here for 30 seconds. And just transfer yours. It's really interesting because probably I didn't have it on it. Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna put that one. Won't take too long. Okay, 30 seconds. Maybe I'm missing that space. So it's only transfer when you have your premium eye hold transfer foils on, and otherwise it's gonna give us a hard time. It's not going to transfer. So I'm gonna do like, if your clients don't want anything else, you can just like love the transfer foil looks top coated, cure for 60 seconds, you're good to go. However, the clients want some charms on it, definitely you can create it some charms on it. Like, it looks good by itself though. You know. So okay, let's take a look if this one at least missing a little petals here. I'm gonna just like it back up. Oh, I can't see from far away. Hopefully I got it right. There you go. Oh my God. It doesn't want to stay on. Look, it got nothing to transfer on the other part. Oh my gosh.
Peel up the other one.
Too strong. It's good though. So here's gonna get that off because I'm gonna like rip it off. Really gentle. So we'll start with condensed glue gels. Just go from the other side. It's okay, put a crystal on it.
Yep. So now you know, do one layer only, one time only. If you want to start stacking transfer foil, make sure you have a top coat first before you start stacking.
Okay, so now we're gonna do this.